Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file Self-Employed Taxes Canada, only way. Gather all business income, receipts, and bank records, then organize expenses by category like supplies, home office, and vehicle. Register for a CRA, my account to view notices and balances, and determine whether you must collect GST/HST. Track deadlines, calculate installments if required, and keep digital backups so you can confidently prepare your return and avoid surprises at tax time. Start by listing every source of income and linking each to an invoice or deposit for clarity. Classify expenses into clear categories such as advertising, supplies, home office, and vehicle costs, and keep receipts organized digitally. For vehicle claims, track kilometers driven for business and total kilometers to calculate the business use percentage. Regular bookkeeping reduces stress, makes tax time faster, and helps you spot eligible deductions you might otherwise miss. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort during long bookkeeping sessions and client meetings. They feel great, last forever, and pair nicely with work boots or dress shoes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Begin by completing your T1 personal tax return and include Form T2125 for business income and expenses. Calculate net business income, apply personal deductions, and determine tax owing including CPP contributions as a self-employed person. If you expect owing over 000 next year, consider quarterly installments. File electronically using NetFile for faster processing, and retain all supporting documents for at least 6 years, in case CRA requests them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.